Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new episode from Salvage Nations. And in today's episode, I'm back on my 2010 E82 BMW 1 Series. But before I get onto that, have a look outside. It's a bit windy, it's a bit wet, I'm feeling a bit chilly. Now I need to work on this, so I can't wear my big coat. What can I do? I've got the best thing for that. Hold on. That's better. Have a look at that, guys. This is the new Salvage Nation and Champion weatherproof jacket. It's windproof, waterproof, element proof, and it just keeps me nice and toasty by keeping my inner body heat trapped in. It protects me from the wind and protects me from the water. So guys, have a look at this and some of my other new drops. Check out shopsalvagenation.com. Right, now we can continue on my 1 Series. So I went ahead and I got a whole bunch of parts. They're sat in the car, so we're gonna get them out and I'm gonna show you what the plan is for today. So, come on. So I've got a complete airbag kit that's gonna be going in, and that's come with battery box, seatbelt pretensioners, complete dash, driver airbag, the full works. I've got my new passenger side wing, that's gonna be going on today as well. And I've got a replacement passenger side light with the light bracket, so that's gonna go straight on there. And that's what we've got for today, guys. So let's get stuck straight in. So guys, if you don't remember this car, have a look in my other videos. I've got the video of me receiving this car and actually sorting out the passenger side suspension. So this is a 2010 BMW 1 Series that I got from Copart. Have a look. If you remember, I had to strip it all out and I decided not to put it back together because I'm gonna have to take the dashboard anyway. So I've done half the job. Now the first issue I've got, guys, and I need your help on this, is, if you remember, I changed the button. I said that the button was the problem. So I've changed the button and I've also changed the key slot right there. But have a look, it still has got this massive delay and I think it might be in the coding. Whoever's had this car before probably coded it, I don't know, but have a look at this. You have to hold it for so long before the ignition comes on. I don't know if that's a safety precaution, I don't know, but my other 1 Series, it's not like that. That's about a good almost 30, 40 seconds. That's not normal. On that car, I don't have to do that. So, yeah, but it starts, everything's fine on the engine. So I've got nothing to worry about on that side. So we're gonna get started by, I wanna take this wing off, I wanna take the front bumper off. But before we get onto those things, I wanna show you as well. If you remember, when I first got this car, I had some different alloys and I realized that 2 of the alloys were broken. So I went out and I got a complete set of these multi-sport, M-Sport alloys. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, let me know what you think of these alloys down in the comments below. I think it just sets the car off. The ride height is just so nice. Can't fault it. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get stuck in. I'm gonna put it down, put it on a time lapse, get all of these broken parts on and start to fit my new parts. Let's go. So guys, in little over no time, look what we've done. We've taken off my broken wing, taken off the broken, headlight remains, and I've taken off my broken front bumper. After that, I'm gonna just replace it, literally. That's what I do on my channel is I try to point out, and I hope that I can inspire someone who's interested in getting into this kind of business. You always look for cars that you can remove the damaged parts and replace them with new parts. I've always said that in all my videos and all my builds. So I've got my replacement wing. I'm gonna put it on here, and then after that, you'll see, where's the damage gone? Disappeared.
Aye, on time like Dying from Corona while I'm living on Coronas. They been living for attention, they been dying for diplomas. My persona in aroma, could've told ya I don't give a signed a bigger contract so I could talk some bigger. Police pull you over, they be trying to give a I be such a gentleman, they came to see some. She just wanna cut, I wanna cut.
And there you have it, guys. I've now put on my replacement wing, replacement headlight. Let's see how that looks. Oh, so I'm gonna leave this for now. I can't close it because the bonnet is bent, and I believe that we can work on that. I just need to get some other tools so I can straighten that out with a hammer, do a bit of body work on that, and then I can put. Next thing I wanna do, I wanna test my lights and see if they work. And there you have it, guys. My replacement light works and everything's all right on that side. So guys, that's gonna be the end of the video for today. It's a very short video because we're still waiting for parts. And with the COVID situation, lockdown is in effect in the UK, still parts are just taking forever to come. So I can only do a little bit as I wait for the parts. So that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna park up the car, I'm gonna drive off now. If that's the kind of content that you like to see, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this kind of content and if you like the video today, make sure you give me a thumbs up as it let YouTube know that you like my content. Guys, in the next video, we'll be continuing working on my E82. So make sure you stick around and I'll catch you in the next one. And as I always say, guys, you know what's coming. Keep it moving, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Dying from Corona while I'm living on Coronas. They been living for attention, they been dying for diplomas. My persona in aroma, could've told ya I don't give a signed a bigger contract so I could talk some bigger. Police pull you over, they be trying to give a I be such a gentleman, they came to see some. She just wanna cut, I wanna cut as in a bigger split. She ain't even ready for this wood I'm about to hit her with. Hit my swisher in your hitter in that order.